What's the meaning of chromium? Chromium. Chromium.
Chromium. Chromium. Chromium is a chemical element with the symbol Cr and atomic number 24. It is a hard, shiny, steel-gray metal that is highly resistant to tarnishing and corrosion. Chromium is commonly used in the production of stainless steel, as well as in the manufacturing of various alloys. It is also used in many industrial processes, such as electroplating and tanning. In addition, chromium is an important micronutrient for human and animal health, playing a key role in regulating blood sugar levels and aiding in the metabolism of fats and carbohydrates.